I want you to backtest what I'm about to talk about. So most people think, or I think most people treat VWAP like it's just a line on a chart, and it's not. It's actually a full regime filter. And once you see it this way, a lot of bad trades are going to just disappear, and we can all use less bad trades. So VWAP is three things at the same time. First, it's the mean, it's fair value, and it's where the most volume has traded today. That's the anchor. Second, it acts like dynamic support and resistance, not because it's magical, but because positions cluster there. That's where people add, exit, hedge, and rebalance. So thirdly, VWAP is a liquidity zone. Stops live there, re-entries live there, and that's why price keeps revisiting it over and over and over again. Pick any chart, pick any asset, put standard daily session VWAP on there, and zoom out on a small chart. You'll see it just circles around VWAP constantly. Now, here's where people mess this up. You'll hear traders say, above VWAP, look for shorts. Below VWAP, look for longs. And that idea is not wrong. It's incomplete, though. So what the statement is really saying is this: if price is above VWAP, the impulsive move has already happened. If price is below VWAP, the sell-off already happened. So chasing continuation there is usually late, unless it's a reversion back to VWAP where your idea is that it's support or resistance. But this is also why risk changes. So above VWAP, your upside risk shrinks and your downside risk expands. Below VWAP, your downside risk shrinks and your upside expands. So here's what I mean by that. Above VWAP, the move happened. It was right here, right? So where's invalidation? Well, it's below that, right? So you have a bunch of risk. You're taking on higher risk, not because price has to revert, but because it's simple, because risk asymmetry flips. VWAP isn't telling you what to trade. It's telling you how to think. And once you start using it that way, you stop chasing moves that have already happened, which will cut out bad trades. Above VWAP, moving strong, moves happen, but then retail piles in, and what happens? It smashes back to VWAP, wrecking everybody.